also have 2 kids. They are grown up. I have mentored them. I have not mothered them ever. They can do their work. They can do everything on their own. So my journey was a challenge, is every day a challenge. Even if an invitation comes to you, it goes to your husband, not to you. Because your husband will come and, take you to the party. And I give a look. Is it like that? No, it's not like that. Because I can manage. But it's an ongoing process. Things are evolving. But it's on every day that we have to feel. The boys, most of the gender, when they talk, they'll not talk you eye to eye. They'll look here or there. Or somewhere else. As if like one alien is standing there and you're not talking to them. But we have to go through it. We have accepted this and we have to go with this and we have learned it. The point for biasness is simply communication. Communication is the key. You communicate your challenges, you communicate your journey. You communicate it every day because you have to. If you want to get married, this is your choice. You want to have kids, this is again your choice. But you have to balance it out. You have to manage the equations. Equations will change because equations change for men too in the organization. So we start with Stand Up India, where we give loans to, it is a mandate by government to give loans to SC and women category. We are not differentiating between them, but we are giving them a priority. Yes, they should be acknowledged. Then we have Startup India, which was started by our Prime Minister in 2016, and wherein 10,000 crore of funds was given to SIDBI. We are managing it. We are investing in AIFs, and we have invested approximately 160 AIFs with 11,600 crores of commitment against 10,000 crores that was allocated to us. And the domestic corpus that we have created is more than 91,000. So 9x is the multiplier that has been created by us. Out of this 160 AIFs being supported by us, approximately 25-27 would be women-led. Even the direct lending schemes we have like Saath and Arjuna, where women is given 50% waiver on CGTMSE fee. They are given financial incentives on the way they pay back. If they pay back on time, they'll get incentive at the end of the financial year. They get discounts on Z certifications. They get discounts on processing fees. CGTMSE also. If a case is covered in CGTMSE, it's under normal scheme. The percentage of corpus is higher than a male-led. We have tie-ups with all the reputed IIMs, IITs, reputed institutions where we do invest at the ideation stage, incubation stage. But when in partnership with them, we have allocated some corpus amount. And another part that we are doing is we are giving venture debt. That is a non-dilutive kind of product, wherein we are giving in the form of the debt. The company has started generated some revenue. The EBITDA is positive. And he or she can pay us in the form of debt, but that is non-dilutive in nature. So we are actually doing it, but from at other different stages. We have entered into this industry and we are doing it, and our products are the traction is quite well.